Asgardian's farm, the farm of the future filled with love.
Welcome to Asgardian Farm. Today we'll be discussing about the preparation of growth bed for onions.
As you can see, we're using three types of soils. This is erosion sand, here is a red clay soil, and here is a sandy soil. These sands have different amount of pore space and different amount of nutrients availability. Now over here is our NPK fertilizer, which is 30-10-10. That's 30% nitrogen, 10% phosphorus, 10% potassium. While over here is our compost. This compost add other supplemental nutrients, other micronutrients which are also needed for the plant growth. As you can see, this is 1 week after the planting of our onions. These are the bed looks like. These are the bed it looks like. One other thing about onions growth of onions is that the right season of it should be taken into consideration. If onions is to be planted in the south region, it should be planted starting from August. This will enable proper growth of the onions and reduce the death of the plants and the advent of diseases. This also enables the long duration of sunlight for proper growth. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to get more updates. If you like what we're doing and you want to support us, please head down the link below this video and head to our Patreon page to support us. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Godspeed.